I'm Lili Smith and I'm a production apprentice with BBC Horizons and Introducing. I'm from Porthcawl, a beautiful seaside town, home to the Elvis Festival, the biggest Elvis festival just the biggest Elvis festival in the world. I love music and I love films, and my favourite director is Paul Thomas Anderson, and my favourite band is probably the Gorillas or like Gorky's Zygotic Monkey, who are a Welsh band. If you don't know, get to know. Before my apprenticeship, I was an assistant director in TV drama. So I was a third AD. I climbed the ladder. First I was a runner, and then I was a third AD, and I worked mainly on BBC Casualty. So far, I've learned how to input music onto Dyma, which is like a software that they use to make packages for the radio. And one thing that I'm excited to learn is Cymraeg. I'm starting my Welsh course on Wednesday. I would like to get as much experience as I can and network with as many people as I can, and yeah, hopefully a job, maybe not, doesn't matter. I'll go back to TV.